I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
Country accent.
I don't know how to do the accent. I pledge allegiance to the flag of
the United States of America.
And Taylor Republic.
For which it stands, one nation, under God.
Under God. Indivisible with liberty
And justice to God.
and not Obama.
No, it's Obama. No. Who did I win? And not Bill Clinton. Yeah! What's a good song? Oh, yeah. I pledge to be American. At least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died. Right to me. I gladly stand up next to you.